Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. I have great news for you. So some of the winners from the giveaway did not come back to me in the mentioned time to pick up their vouchers, so I'm going to pick up 5 more winners. 2 for the £10 voucher and 3 for the £20 voucher. I have already deleted all the names from all of you who already won a voucher, and also I have deleted the names of those who won a voucher but did not pick it up. I have mentioned that you needed to get back to me through Facebook or email until 10 of January. And 5 of you just didn't made out, so I think that it is fair to give a chance to some other of the people who participated. So let's go on random.org. We have 14 more entries. I'm going to put here 14 and generate 5 numbers. So let's see. Number 5, I hope you can see that. The last video was not too great. Number 5 for the £10 voucher. It is Damiano Fineschi. Congratulations. Now let's get back and generate another number. Number 13. Number 13, it is Samantha Sam, again for the £10 voucher, and then 3 for the £20 voucher. So number 11, number 7 and number 8. 7, 8 and 11. Let's see. 7, 8 and 11. Okay, so here they are. So Maya Pierce, EGS Art Channel and Liliana Manolescu won a £20 voucher. So guys, please go ahead until let's see, until 17th of January, please go ahead and contact me through private message on my Facebook page Miracle Orchids, so I can go ahead and give you your voucher. Thank you so much for participating again, and I hope that this time you are going to pick up your vouchers, because if not, I'm going again to delete these names and pick up from the rest of them. Again, a close-up. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and see you all next time. Bye!